Hello, today I would like to show you how to install Snappy, actually set up the Visual Studio project. So this is the URL, Snappy GitHub files. And if you see, there is this, if you want to git update and make their directory, or creating a directory, and you need to call this cbuild and cmake and all of them. So what did I do is I went and downloaded everything uh, from the entire code. You can download all of them as a zip file and unzip just into any folder you like. Here it is, and as here it's Snappy. So after this, what I have done is just go to the console. This is a Windows PowerShell, and I would like to show you from the very beginning. I didn't have the CMake, so I downloaded because mine is Windows and Windows 64 installer. And also I didn't have what is that git, but I didn't use the git. You can install these two. I installed already GitHub also, but I didn't use those things. So later on after this, I just want to test the CMake. It is working fine, no problem. So this is the Snappy folder. I showed the content. You see the same content. Let's move to this one. It's the same content over here. So you see that, and then I didn't know this how to run these commands. These ones, come on, like cbuild, and I thought this is can work all together, but you need to do cbuild, cdbuild, just change directory to build. So later on I figured out that big things. So you go there, but cmake wasn't working. So you just call after build is cmake, but like this cmake space dot dot forward slash. So when you call this one, it did a lot of stuff. And in the build folder, what did it do? It created this everything for me, this solution. Everything is created for me. This one. This was awesome. I didn't do anything. This is created. This was an empty folder. It created everything for me here. And it is done. I try to call this make, it doesn't do anything, and I am done basically. So I just go into the build and set the dr, show the content, and that's it. This is doing nothing, and I have all up to date. So what I have done is I just went ahead and double click on the solution. When I click the solution, this window came up, except this project I added. So everything is, I just visited some of them, what's going on. I didn't do much. So I added one project. How did I do that? I go to the solution and add new project. And I said just new project with hello world. That's it. And finish. And I name it mkg. Here it is. So when I have this one, I got this empty file. I added the string. And I said include this snappy dot dot snappy. You may say why this is like that. Let's go here. I have mkg here, so I need to go one folder down, and I have the snappy.h over here. I want to refer, so I got the snappy.h like that. Maybe this is the best way or not, I'm not sure. Later on I had a couple of bunch of problems, but I came to the references here. If you see, each project has a references. So I right click over here and I said add references. I chose everything. So I chose everything and hit OK. And later on, I just hit this run button. I got this one. I don't know whether this is doing correct because input size is 24, output size is 26. I don't know what kind of compression is this. Maybe I don't understand from compression. This is I'm doing for one of my friend who wanted to see this. So everything is here. That's that. That's all. Hope this is useful. Bye.